Hi, I'm Catherine-Lucie Horber of Rural Interior Design, and welcome to this year's 2019 Fall Home Show with Reno and Decor magazine. We're here at the Design Intervention booth, and I was so happy that Reno and Decor magazine asked me to design it again this year. And my inspiration for this industrial loft vibe is this artwork. So it's quite colorful and it's funky and vibrant, and we have completely unexpected colors of red, green, and blue, and we're going to see that throughout the design that we did. But what's really interesting about the design is we have a nice wallpaper feature by Ruth Baker Design that can be found in Toronto homes that have old century brick walls, or a loft, or even suburban homes that I often do that actually put wallpapers like that. So I think there's a lot of versatility, it's quite eclectic, and it's all open concept. So you're going to see how you could divide spaces in one big open space, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So welcome to the office section of my design, and what I did is I wanted to show people how it's possible to create division within an open concept space. So by putting a shelving unit and a desk and a chair right beside the living area, right off the bat you think, oh, that's an office space. But the pieces that you use are also important. So for example, this beautiful table is actually made to be very small, great for small spaces, condos, or restricted areas. It actually lifts up to be a bar, but it also could act as a desk, which I use it as a desk, but it's a dining table. So using multi-purpose furniture in your spaces could be very versatile. So you could use it for one intended use in one home, and as you grow and evolve in different homes, it can become useful for something else. So that was the purpose of what I wanted to show in this space. As you move towards the next section of our open concept design, we get near the cabinetry. So this custom wall unit was made for us for the show by GH Kitchens, or one of our sponsors, and they build all kinds of different cabinetry for kitchens and wall units. And in this case, I'm so happy because we did a dual tone. So our shelving is nice and thick, suspended, which is a little bit more of a modern approach. I did the dark doors to give it a little bit of contrast, which we repeated in the center piece. We love that it has a rustic vibe, but the lines are clean, which makes it a lot more modern, and makes it perfectly suited for my eclectic modern rustic vibe. Having an open concept suspended shelves is more airy and open and makes it feel a little bit less constricted, less bulky. When you're in a smaller space, it makes it feel bigger. So that's something that you might want to consider if you're in a more constricted space. One of the elements I'm quite fond of here in this space is our flooring from Remodel Canada. It's a white plank laminate floor with different tonalities in it, light brown and dark brown, which I specifically chose to pick up from our cabinetry. So at the very center of the booth is our family entertainment center, and it is central because that is the main feature of our space, and it's all about congregating. We have a nice open concept shelving, suspended, modern built-in cabinets, which really create a focal point. And I love the furniture from Corson. Very thankful for them as a sponsor who donated all the furniture for the booth. And I love their style, how it has some contemporary legs on the sofa and very modern chairs, yet they have some very rustic pieces in the tables and the desk and the shelving. So they have a really great variety of options from rustic, modern to intermediate. This space is all filled with different colors that was all inspired by original artwork. With red, the blue, and the green. And if you notice, the core, the basic of all our furniture is all light grays and blacks. So it's quite peaceful, which gives us a lot of versatility. If I were to change all our colors to orange or blues or teals, we could easily do that. So creating versatile designs that last and that give you different options is very good for you if you're not sure what style you want. Thank you for joining me on this 2019 World Tour. I hope you enjoyed it, but you must come down and see it in person. We're actually going to be open all weekend. If you're not meeting with me, you can meet with one of those great designers all day long. Design intervention, which is great. Bring in your questions, anything you want to know, and one of these great designers will help you. Also, don't forget, you can get more information copies, free copies from Reno and Decor magazine and lots of other ones. You can get one of them for you. So lots of goodies. Come on down and join us.